Here we are, folks. I'm always scheming. I was literally just telling Twan, I'm like, this would be a good clips video. And before I can finish that sentence, he rounds the corner and starts filming. So you're going to be standing here, Twan, for about 8 or 9 minutes. It's going to be a little bit short, but I'll cut right to the chase.
Let's do it.
I'm looking at a couple different cars that I want to build, and lately I've been really excited to do some crashed cars again. So we have a bunch of new stuff we're lining up for next year, and there's a bunch of cars that I've bought and that I've been sitting on that we're about to start. So it's not all crash stuff, but I'm always looking for some cool stuff. And normally I like to keep it a secret of things I'm looking at so that when I get it, it's a surprise. But I suppose talking about a few of them and getting your guys' input wouldn't spoil anything. I'll throw up a few photos of these cars, but I'm looking at 3 separate cars. I'm definitely not going to buy all 3 of them. I'm thinking about maybe buying 2 of them, but I don't really know. But this is really a video for your guys' input. So I'll start here. There is a really, really crazy car for sale on a crash auction site, and it's one of my dream cars. It is a 992 GT3 RS. Such a cool car. Absolute dream car. I've always said the only time I'll ever sell my 991 RS, my UV purple one, is for a 992 RS. But the problem is, if you go and buy one right now, unless you have a hookup at Porsche, which I don't, you're going to spend $500,000 for that car. That is just an obscene amount of money that I just can't do. It's just not going to happen. So I've been waiting for one to pop up on a crashed auction site, and one hit, and this is what it looks like. I've already done all the research on all the parts I need to fix it. I know how much it's probably going to cost me to fix, but I don't know how much that car is going to go for at auction. We're hopefully going to go see this car in person when I'm allowed to see it, which could be a few weeks from now. So I'll probably have a dedicated video about this. But based on everyone's engagement and what I'm looking at with the GT3 build we're doing, I don't know if people or you guys like to watch the Porsche rebuilds. I'll see you at home, babe.
Yes. I'm going to bake a loaf of bread for us.
Okay, I found a really cool car on Copart. You want to see it? She's not going to like it. What car do I always talk about that I want to buy, but I'm just like, I'm like, one day I will, but like right
SVJ.
No. That's what Twan said. But like, I'm like, I really want this. I'm obsessed with my show.
Oh, your car, but the new version.
No.
A 992 GT3 RS.
No, what else? You're close. What's the other one?
A GT3?
Yes.
992?
No, it's the other one. The other model number.
Oh, I do not know.
99.
997 GT3. What is that? Oh! Ooh!
This one's really bad.
This one's bad. Someone did not have
But that means it's gonna sell for cheap.
Wait, is this not... Oh, you're doing a 991 GT3 right now.
Yeah.
So this is an older version of the red car. Yeah,
I've
no
been
one cares. Nobody wants to see that.
Well, that's part of this conversation we're having with the clips channel.
Oh, I
spoiled one of the cars. That was one of them I was gonna talk to you guys about.
That thing is ugly, man. Looks like it's from my grandpa.
I
don't know.
I'll see you at home. Goodbye.
I'm sorry.
I'll see you at home.
All right, everyone.
Let's stay on topic. 992 GT3 RS.
Ugly.
I'd have to sell a bunch of stuff for it. I'm be real with you, but we don't know how much it's gonna sell for at auction. Right now, the auction market is higher than what the cars are worth. Meaning things are selling, they've gotten so popular, there's so many people buying them that, like, realistically, you're paying 20% more than you should. And that really matters when doing a crash rebuild, because when they're salvaged and you resell them, if you're in too deep, you're going to go upside down on them. Regardless, 992 GT3 RS. No one's done a rebuild on YouTube yet. What do you guys think about that? Would that be sick? I have something in my eye now. Would that be sick? What do you guys think? I showed you the photo of it. We could fix it. I'm very confident in that. Damn. Second one, while we're on the topic. I've wanted a 997 GT3 for so long, but I fear that buying one, there's just not a big enough demographic that watches it. The Porsche game is a little bit weird. I love them. I feel like there's a big cult following for those that love them, but I feel like when it comes to YouTube, maybe it's just not our viewership's favorite thing. So buying this 997, I meant to say on the 992 RS, it's probably going to sell for $300,000, and you can't finance these cars. You have to pay cash up front, so it's a lot. So I'm gonna go and see it, but I'm kind of like, I don't know. That one's kind of like, that's my dream car. I want that. Which is almost like, I mean, I don't even care what the views do, but like, I obviously want you guys to enjoy it. So regardless, 997 GT3. These cars go for 130 grand, 140 grand this year, this make and model. If this thing should sell. How bad this is, this should sell for like 30 grand, plus or minus 10K. That's tempting. I'd have to like buy a donor shell and swap it, and I've been doing research. It's possible, but I'm like, damn, is anyone gonna enjoy that as much as me? I don't know. The last one I'm looking at, which I'm actually fairly excited about. I used to own this car. I miss it dramatically. Anthony, and I don't know if you said it on camera, but Sabrina said it on camera. I miss my Aventador so bad. I've been waiting for a good Aventador to pop up. And one has. 2015 matte black Aventador. Front end damage. Nothing like too crazy. That car, as it is in perfect condition, will retail for $340,000, $350,000. It should sell for like 160, 170. Should. That's definitely an easier pill to swallow than a 992 RS selling at $300K minimum. I don't know. Those are 3 crash cars I'm looking at right now. And I'd love your guys' feedback. Your comments steer the ship more than you guys might think. I give you guys so much credit for what we end up doing. And as much as these are all things that I want to build, but I'd love to know what you guys would want to see. So give your feedback. Leave comments down below. Let me know what you guys are thinking. Let me know what you'd like to watch. Try not to suggest other cars other than what I just said, because this is like strictly on these 3 things. 992 RS, 997 GT3, 2015 Aventador. How long is this clipped one?
7 minutes.
We're gonna make it quick. We're working hard on the 991 GT3, so an episode's coming pretty soon on the main channel for that. But damn.
Personally, after thinking about it a little more, I think the Aventador would be the most exciting. 992 GT3 is like crazy, and you would personally like geek out and love it. Aventador sounds very like rowdy, exciting. I don't know.
I agree with you.
Yeah.
I just sometimes like we've already had it on the channel, so I don't know if it's something they would like to see. The 997 is so scary. Or sorry, the 992 is so scary.
Mm-hmm.
That one's like full send commitment.
Yeah.
Like I'm stressing because that's a lot of cash.
Yeah.
That build's probably gonna cost if I was to buy it, it'd probably cost me like $380,000.
Damn.
Up front.
Yeah.
Cash. No finance.
Mm-hmm.
No one to go to. It is what it is.
Yeah.
Leave your feedback, folks. We love you. I love you. I'll see you guys soon. I'll see you in the next clip.
I really stood